Are you a parent juggling schedules, sleep tracking, and developmental milestones? Well, you know what? Same here. And let me tell you, it's a lot easier now than it was back in my day. If I could go back in time and give my younger self one piece of advice, besides don't cut your own bangs, it would be to download a parenting app. Being a parent means having to wear a lot of hats: nurse, chef, chauffeur, sleep expert, and more. But fear not, my fellow parents, because with the right apps, you can stay organized, manage stress, and maybe even, dare I say it, make time for yourself. So today, we're diving into the top 5 parenting apps every parent should have. These apps will help you stay organized, track your child's progress, and make parenting just a little easier. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about Baby Tracker. If you're a new parent, congrats by the way, sleep is overrated anyway. But seriously, keeping track of feeding times, diaper changes, and sleep schedules can feel overwhelming. Baby Tracker is like that super organized friend we all have, who always remembers everyone's birthday. Except this friend is an app, and their only job is to help you keep track of your little one. This app is designed to help you log feedings, diaper changes, sleep, and even growth measurements. It's simple, easy to use, and everything is at your fingertips. And my favorite part? You can set up reminders, so you never miss a feeding or a nap. Those reminders are a lifesaver. Parents rave about this app because it provides a clear overview of their baby's needs and routines, making the early days feel a lot more manageable. Up next, the Wonder Weeks. This app is a must-have if you want to keep track of your child's developmental milestones and their mental growth. It provides a comprehensive guide to understanding the various stages your baby goes through. It's like having a window into that little mind of theirs. You can see the world from their perspective and understand their needs better. This app is a parent's best friend when it comes to understanding what's going on in your baby's brain. It offers detailed explanations and practical advice. Based on a best-selling book, this app offers insight into your baby's mental development phases, known as leaps. These leaps are crucial periods of growth and change. It explains why your baby might suddenly become fussier or more demanding. Understanding these phases can help you respond more effectively. The app includes a handy-dandy calendar to show you when these mental leaps are happening, along with tips and activities to support your baby's development during these stages. It's like having a personal guide. Many parents feel reassured when they know there's a reason behind the changes they're seeing in their baby. It brings peace of mind and confidence. The Wonder Weeks helps you see what skills your baby is working on, making it easier to support them every step of the way. It's an invaluable tool for any parent wanting to nurture their child's growth and development. Chapter 3. Cozy Family Organizer, Taming the Family Chaos. Keeping track of everyone's schedules, appointments, and to-do lists can feel like a full-time job, on top of the full-time job of parenting, that is. The endless juggling can be overwhelming, but don't worry, Cozy Family Organizer is here to save the day. This app is designed to simplify your life. This app isn't just for parents, it's for the whole family. Everyone can contribute and stay informed. It's like the digital equivalent of a family meeting, but without the eye rolls. No more confusion or missed appointments. Picture this, a shared calendar where everyone can see what's happening, making coordination a breeze. To-do lists that magically update themselves, a meal planner to organize your meals efficiently, and even a journal feature to capture those precious family moments. Never miss a memory again. And the best part? You can color code entries by family member to keep track of everyone's activities. It's visually intuitive and easy to manage. This app is a game changer for reducing the chaos of family life by getting everyone on the same page. Harmony is just a tap away. It's like having a personal assistant for your family, but without the hefty paycheck. Simplify, organize, and enjoy more quality time together. Chapter 4. Peanut, Finding Your Parent Tribe. Parenting can be lonely sometimes. It's a journey filled with joy, but also moments of isolation. You're at home with this tiny human who doesn't speak your language, and you're trying to figure it all out while simultaneously keeping another human being alive. The stress can be overwhelming, but that's where the Peanut app comes in to save the day, and your sanity. It's like having a lifeline in your pocket. Think of Peanut like a giant virtual coffee date for parents, but without the awkward small talk. It's a space where you can be yourself. It's a social network just for parents, a place where you can connect with others who get it. You can share your highs and lows without judgment. Peanut allows parents to connect with others in their area or with similar interests. It's like finding friends who are on the same page as you. You can ask questions, join discussions, and even set up playdates. It's a great way to build a support network. One of the things I love most about Peanut is that you can create a profile based on your stage of parenthood. Whether you're pregnant, have a newborn, or have older kids, it's tailored to your needs. It's like finding your people, your tribe, your village, whatever you want to call it. It's a sense of belonging. Parents appreciate having a community to lean on for advice, support, and friendship. It's invaluable because sometimes you just need someone who gets it, someone who's been there, to tell you that you're doing great and it's all going to be okay. And that reassurance can make all the difference. Chapter 5. ParentPal, your personalized parenting guide. Last but certainly not least, we have ParentPal. This is a fantastic app that acts as a personal coach for parents, providing daily activities and developmental milestones to guide your child's growth. ParentPal offers a comprehensive daily dashboard with activities, milestones, and progress tracking. This app is jam-packed with features, including milestone tracking, activity ideas, and even assessments to help you track your child's progress. Each day, it provides age-appropriate tips and reminders to help support your baby's growth. Parents love having a roadmap for their child's development, and ParentPal provides just that. Because let's face it, sometimes we just need a little inspiration to get those creative juices flowing. Outrow happy parenting, so there you have it, folks. 5 amazing apps that can make this wild ride of parenthood just a little bit easier, a little bit more organized, and a whole lot more fun. Whether you're looking to track your baby's feedings, keep everyone organized, or connect with other parents, these apps are here to support you at every step. Parenting is a team sport, and sometimes we need a little help from our digital teammates. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with other parents, and subscribe to stay updated on more parenting tips. Happy parenting, and we'll see you in the next video.